Hello everyone, my name is Blossoming Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can save 50, 60%, maybe even 40% off of a crystal katana or your Swarovski crystals that you can find at your local craft store. So, I personally, as a disclaimer, do not purchase any of my crystals from a Michaels or any type of craft stores. I do like to purchase my crystals from an authorized Swarovski dealer, and this is why. So, as you can see, for the same crystal, the Swarovski SS12, it costs you $6.63, and you get a one gross, which is 144 stones. If you buy your crystals at Michaels, even though you can use a 40% off discount, or if you're in store, you can use competitors' discounts. So if you go to like Joann's or any type of other store, you can use their coupon codes. So as you can see, you only get 38 crystals and you have to pay $5.99. So instead of doing that, what I would recommend is shopping at Rhinestones Unlimited. You're going to pay $6.63, but you can also use my coupon code, which is Blossom, BLOSSOM, and you can get a discount on your Swarovski crystals as well. So that's just an alternative. I just think that it's personally astronomical that they sell the small amount of crystals. They don't even sell the regular amounts, like the regular selling amounts in Michaels, and you have to pay so much for such a little bit amount of crystals. So that's how you save on Swarovski crystals. If you would like to save on a katana, what I would do is I would compare coupons. So either at the store or before you go to your local Michael stores that actually sell her katana. I couldn't find it online. So what I would recommend is I would definitely recommend calling into your local store to see if they have it, and then looking up coupons and seeing which one has the highest coupon rate. So it looks like for right now, the best coupon I could get is from Joann's, and it's 50% off any one regular price item. I doubt that her item ever really goes on sale. So that's great. AC Moore normally has coupons, but I saw that they don't even do online sales. Now they do their online sales through Michaels. And it looks like their store is pretty much on sale. So if you need anything from there, I would say go there because everything's 40 to 60% off regular price. So that's interesting. Or there's always Hobby Lobby. I normally don't look here, but you never know. I would say look at all the places in order to find the coupon that you need. If you're a teacher or you work in a school, you can use to show them your ID. You can get 15% off your total purchase. So I hope this helps you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Always with love, Blossoming Jasmine.